Salam. Uh, I'm providing this sample code for phase one. I think it's a good code. I just made minor changes to it. It was given to me by Ali Muhammadian, Muhammad Abu Shahla, and the remaining members of the group. Uh, I believe, implemented almost everything. Let me show you how it works first from the browser and what I implemented. Let me start this. So in the browser, I'll just show you what's working in the browser. You can log in either as a global admin, Bill. If you log into global admin, can go to global. You can see all countries or regions, and you can see switchback. You can see active admins, inactive. If you want to see the details of one admin, let me see all countries first and active. This is Hassan. Okay, these are the admin. You can click on details. I did not implement everything, by the way, here, but you can see the no styles also. And it's not needed in the project. You only need the admin. So what you need in the admin, log out. Now you can log in as an admin. I'll use Hassan. You can go to admin page. You need to implement your code now here in this page. And by the way, I provided a page called admin. And the admin, I recommend that all your code is done inside admin.js. If you use admin.js, make sure you add this / because although it's in the same folder, but still you are using different routes. So you can implement your code. You can see how I implemented the code in login, in register. Register is also working, and in global admin. Tamam. So now let's see how things are working in both the browser. For example, if you are in admins, you can see patients. These are all your patients ordered by country. This guy is only administering Qatar. If you want to see one patient, you just need to provide ID. And for example, ID1, this is patient ID1. Okay. If you want to see statuses of one patient, status and the patient ID. So this is status for patient ID1, status for patient ID0. To add a new status or update status, we'll see that from Postman. And at any time, if you have doubt, you just can go to the routes here and see what routes are working, which URL. You have admins. Countries is very simple, just to get a list of all countries, a list of all regions, one country, and to get the cities of one country. At any time you need a country cities, just provide the country's code and cities URL. You get the cities of that country. Okay, so for the routes, whenever you see a route, you will see usually authentication function. If it's auth global admin, then this is a global admin function, and you don't need it in this phase. I already provided all admins and all assignments. You can manually add assignments if you want. But when you go to the route, if you see authentication global admin, it means we first authenticate the global admin. But sometimes you will authenticate admin. If you authenticate admin, this is your task. It's admin. And if you go to countries here, no authentication is required. Patients, almost all patient functions, they need to authenticate admin. So you know that all the admin functions here, okay, all the ones that need authentication are here, and some of the reports here are available to you. So let's go back to the Postman now. Let me log in first. Login. ومش هاي login. Okay. هاي login. Admins login. Body. Email Hassan. Okay. Login successful. Now I can go to patients. So you'll see all patients of get, of course. All patients of this guy. Okay. If you want one patient, just provide ID. Patient 1. Tamam. If you want statuses, just provide status. You'll get the statuses of patient 1. Here are the statuses of patient 1. Now, how to add a new status or how to add a new patient? Add a new status, if you look at patients here. Okay, here you have post status, patient ID, and new status ID. Of course, the admin ID and the data are checked internally, no need to provide them. So we call this function. So now this is the one. Okay, so I'll go here to Postman, patient status, let us say, okay, here is patient 1, his last status is 3. If I want to change his status, patient 1, last status is going to be 2 now. And I need to make it post, of course. So this way I'm going to add a new status to this patient 1. Click. We created a new status. New status is 2. As you see, admin ID and data are calculated dynamically. If you go to patient statuses here, format document, so this is the status ID I just added for this one. If you go back here, if you want to get statuses of patient 1, you see this, the new status is also listed in patient 1 statuses. So this is for a status, add status, okay, list statuses. Let us add a new patient. Okay, we'll go to the end and copy a new one. Here, I'll take this one, we'll make post. Patients, I need to go to body, of course, and body. Okay, no admin ID is needed, no current status ID, and no ID. Let's make him Majdi Saeed instead of Majid Saeed. Majdi Saeed, no comma here. He is weight is 100 and he is 1956. Okay, let me create a new patient. The new patient is added and this is his ID and created. Let me update the patient. Okay, I need to make it put here. Okay, body. Okay, I just make his weight now 80. So click here, his weight is 80 and was updated. So I showed you how to create a new patient, update and list all patients, how to add statuses, and how to list statuses of one patient. You have many other reports for admin reports. You can see them here from the admins. Sometimes you have report. This is for admin. Okay, admin summary report. By the way, we can do this from here, patients or admins report. So this is the country summary for Qatar. This admin is only administering Qatar. He is getting all the patients, how many deaths, how many. Then for each city, very nice. Okay, for each city, now we have Wakra, we have 2 females, 7 males, and this is an excellent way. Everything is available to you. You just need to show them in a way that is HTML and browser friendly. I'm just showing you JSON here. What other reports? Let us see what we have here in the reports. Get all admins of region. This is for a global admin. You don't want it. I already showed you how to do this. So this is the only one you need here for admin report, because I can tell if this is admin or global admin by the authentication here. Very nice way that done by those students. And patients, if you want to report, okay, patients report ID, you can see the patient summary report. Here just type patient report and patient 1 and make sure it's get. Okay, how many days in hospital? Patient 2, patient 28, no 28, you get nice answers. Also patient 25, Majdi Saeed. Okay, I entered his data. He entered the hospital in an old date. Case deteriorating, and let us see other patient 0. Okay, so now you see patient report. Let us see what other reports we have here. Country report here, report country and country. This is also this is available to everyone. If you don't see authentication, then this is available to everyone. You can even, as an admin, you can get it. Yani if as an admin, you can get this or this or this, and anyone can get them. So I believe I showed you everything you need. I showed you how to log in, how to log out, how to log in as an admin, which page you need to implement your code. I recommend admin HTML, and what functions you need to do, which is add patient, update patient, add status, and you list all the required reports of the hack. If you want to look at an admin summary, I provided one more function for admin summary or admin reports. If you go to admins here, these here, you can get admin service, get all assignments. This is for global admin. Get admin with all assignments, get admin active assignments, get admin with active, yani you get the body with active assignments, okay? I can show you this, but I need to log in as a global admin. If you think in your project you need to use any of these things, for you, just change the authentication to be admin, not global admin, the same way you see it here. Because those, they need to check first if you are a global admin or an admin. Okay? Anything that has no authentication, it's public. If it's authentication global admin, it's a global admin. If it's an authentication admin, then it's admin. Good luck. You only need to implement these things in HTML, JavaScript, and nice CSS in 10 days. Assalamu alaikum.